guys, welcome to my channel. Today will be an exciting demonstration right here in the kitchen. I'm actually here at my sister's kitchen, and I came to visit, but she's going to teach me how to prepare something. I have no idea, but she's right here with me. Let's invite Mommy to come over. Hello, Mommy.
Hello, guys. I'm Amiefa, and I'm about to teach Erefe how to prepare party donuts.
Okay, so Mommy Efa is actually my big sister. I'm right after Mommy. She's the fourth born, and I am the fifth born. So we're going to do something special right here. Let's get into it.
So we have here 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup evaporated milk. We have 3 eggs, half cup of margarine or butter. You can use butter if you don't have margarine, and then some vanilla essence. I have 1.5 teaspoon of nutmeg because I really like nutmeg, so you can use 1 teaspoon, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'll use a pinch of food color because I want it a little bit of egg yellow color, and then half cup of sugar. I want it a little bit sweet, but you can reduce it if you don't like too much sugar. And then I have 1 teaspoon orange or lemon zest. It's optional. And then I have 1/4 teaspoon of butter flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. And then I have half teaspoon of salt. So these are the ingredients for party donuts.
Okay, so let's get started then.
So I'm just using a pinch of the food color.
So we already have the flour inside, and then a pinch of food color in it.
Then I add my margarine.
Okay.
Or butter to it.
Okay, then let me. Okay. Okay.
I'm not adding sugar.
Okay, so we are adding the sugar to it, and then
the butter
still rubbing in. So that is the butter,
your salt,
and my salt,
baking powder. Adding the nutmeg.
Okay, so this is the nutmeg as well.
Then yeah.
So we can completely
Orange zest.
add everything to it, and then how did you say it? I mixed in.
Yeah, rubbing in.
Rubbing in. I then add the eggs to the flour. Okay, so this is a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is actually how I was supposed to do it. At this point, my oil is on fire, and right after it, I will test how hot it is. Once I get the mixture in the oil and it pops out by itself, it means that it is ready for me to fry a lot of it. So I keep putting the mixture in it like that, and then get a golden brown color, and it means I can already pick it out of the oil, and then yeah, it's ready to consume. I repeat this until the mixture I have in my bowl is finished. So guys, this is how you actually prepare your party donut. You leave it on the fire for some time. You see it's turning brown, and you also have to turn the other side too. But this is how I scoop my mixture. I create a hole in my palm like this. Then I can easily scoop a little. Yeah, just like that. So let's try that again. Yeah, then I put it in the oil just like this. So it's actually not a difficult thing to do. You repeat till the space you have in your saucepan is full. This is a deep frying method. You use deep frying to do this party donut. You don't have to use shallow at all because you don't want it to swallow the oil. It has to freely fry by itself. So guys, this is how we get our party donuts. I hope you guys liked it and you're going to prepare some for me to see. Kindly let me know if you like this method. Kindly let me know if you have tried this and it is also good for you. Thank you guys so much for giving me feedback on my video. Hello guys, so this is how far we have come. The party donut is ready. So if please rate me by testing.
Moist and very, very soft.
You like it?
I really do.
Oh my god, I really did a good job.
You really did a good job.
Yeah, I did a good job.
And please don't forget to like and subscribe to her channel. Thank you.
Yes guys, so this is how far we have come. She said I did a great job, and yes, you can also do it at home. Yes, you can see how rich it is. You can try this at home. So guys, don't just look at this, try it. So this is how far we bring you the party donut right from my sister's kitchen. Don't forget, as she said, like and subscribe. She has a Instagram page she would like to share.
My Instagram handle is at Dine with Crapper.
Dine with Crapper. Okay, so guys, please do well
follow me
and follow her. Thank you so much for watching our recipe for today.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I get so excited when I enter the kitchen, seeing the array of foodstuff. I can join one or two ingredients to put food on my table. If you want to learn more, join me as I bring you everything you need to know right here on my channel. That is why I always say, eat good food, drink wisely, and stay healthy. Cooking is an art, creates magic.